Nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya NGCDF Ngong'u Kajiado ya Rũgongo, nyĩmbo na mahoya nĩ cithamakĩte gũkũ, aruti wĩra matanyiheire 400 a thirikari ya Kajiado arĩa marĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kajiado ya Rũgongo makĩgĩa na mweke wa kwĩhoera o hamwe na kũhoerwo. Samuel Mushiri, afitha wa thirikari ya Kajiado, akiuga to mahoya amu haha niho aruti a wĩra aya monaga mweke wa kumenyana uge ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru ni Bishop Henry Omae.
Fanya maombi ndiposa tukaweze kuleta wale wafanyikazi pamoja, kwa sababu bila kuwa pamoja hatuwezi weza kutimiza ile malengo yetu. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo tumekuja idara zote tofauti yetu ya county na pia hata serikali kuu kuja ku seek the face of God, na zaidi ya yote kujuana na kuwa nafasi ya kuleta ile working relationship ndiposa tukaweze kuendeleza county yetu na kuipeleka katika level nyingine.
Umuhimu wa kucha pamoja ni kuleta wananchi kuomba pamoja na kutafuta mwangaza na ulinzi wa Mwenyezi Mungu na kuongozwa na Mungu, ndiposa hili sehemu yetu ipate kubarikiwa. Hayo ndio yalikuwa makubwa tumefanya siku ya leo, kufanya maombi.
Sisi wa mĩgũnda Kajiado Hamilton Parsena akiuga mahoya maya nĩ megũteithĩrĩria ona aruti a wĩra aya kũruta wĩra na ũigĩrĩrĩki ona rĩrĩa hatarĩ na mũndũ ũramarora.
What he emphasized is on integrity. And what is lacking in this country is integrity. If people have integrity in what they do, then it means that they will be doing the right thing even when no one is seeing them. I think that is the emphasis that he really brought out. And I'm sure for all those who have been here, as they go back to their offices, we will expect to see a change in the way they run the affairs of the county.
Maya mothe ona watongoria nĩ morĩtio kũgĩa na ũgĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki rĩrĩa mararutĩra mũingĩ wĩra ta ũrĩa George Mugo aratarĩria.
And I pray that even as leaders we will not be bandits, we will not be stupid, we will not lead a people to helplessness, but we will be intelligent people, because the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Ngong'u Kajiado ya Rũgongo, ngetwo Wacuka wa Kĩarĩ.